Hi guys, we're gonna try it because I couldn't open it. Now it's easy to open. I know it's fake. Just like this. Oh, look at it. So squishy. Now this is fake.
Taste this.
It's so squishy, like a squishmallow. Mmm.
Ano yan?
Don't know what is this
Chocolate?
called. I don't know. Mm.
Juice?
Yeah, I told you it's like a juice. So,
Nagtip ka mo. Doon kang tubig. Yung magpapahid sa damit.
this is one squish it.
What's inside?
Look.
Ang lasa niya.
Patays mo sinanglan. Go!
Natanong ko, hindi ko tinang...
Ala, nakita sa video. Ito.
actor.
Actress. Ano ba to?
Bite.
What's that? Candy?
Yeah, bite. Bite.
Right?
Let me. Did it even taste the inside?
Sabi mo, maliit
No,
lang.
like,
Paano
so,
ko liliitan mo?
Like
Gusto ko
this.
umabot doon.
like this.
Sa kabilang side.
Yeah.
Like this. Lazim! Lazim! What's that?
For me, it's
Panis.
biscuit.